Rahim, commencing with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Allah Almighty is the creator of you, me, and this whole universe by the grace of Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Respectable, reputable, adorable, esteemed, dear sir, and all dear friends, I greet you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic on which I have the opportunity to speak today is your best friend, isn't it? Who is your favorite best friend? According to me, the era going on, there is nobody your best friend. Like there is a quotation in Urdu कि आज के इंसान में वफा ढूंढ रहे हो, जहर के डब्बे में कुछ मरहम ढूंढ रहे हो, इस तरह से ये कुछ. So in this way that whatever your action and your my dears, there are very there is a very lack of friends. Now you see that if you have many friends but they are only namely friends, if you need urgent and if you need something, if you will saying to them that I need this, they cannot recognize you, they will saying you that who are you. Now see that you must prefer that one only your parents. खुद को खुद तक महदूद रखें, because they era going on, when you will close to someone, he will break your heart in like jiffy. And do not prefer very quickly, because when you will prefer someone in jiffy, you don't know that how he is inside, how he is in behind. Maybe in his inside there can evil hidden. So always try to recognize people, because now you can see many people who you can choose that he is my favorite one, but in fact he can deceive you, he can cheat with you. Now everyone, they are affiliated in bad way that everyone scam to each other. A brother scam to brother, a friend scam to friend. In this way that the world going on very what can we say that tormentic way which is going on right now. That if you will tell to someone that I like you, then he will keep on is ignoring you. He will ignore that you are nothing in front of me. Then what is the benefit of preferred person? Really, it is going on. Now you only think that my parents and my family is everything for me, because they your family, in your family there is your mother. She can love you true love. Nobody loves you as much as your mother. So I always try to prefer my mother, and you also try to prefer your mother, because if you will choose another preferred person, maybe he can deceive you and he can keep on ignoring you. So do not prefer one who always trying to scam you. And in the termination of my speech, I would say that keep friendship with Allah Almighty, and always try to worship of Him, because if you will going to way of Allah Almighty, then Allah Almighty will give you a reward which is very expensive reward in this world. So thank you very much.